Hello everyone, today is September 1st, 2022, and just now I complete this problem by selection sort. Sort the colors to make sure not everybody has watched my previous video, so I just describe this problem again. Sort colors given array numbers with n objects colored red, white, or blue. Sort them in place so that objects of the same color are adjacent, with the colors in the order red, white, and blue. We will use the integers 0, 1, 2 to represent the color red, white, and blue respectively. You must solve this problem without using the library sort functions. Constraint n, that means the array's length, n size range from 0 to 300. Numbers is 0, 1, 2. Okay, so could you come up with one pass algorithm using only constant actual space? Okay, so this time, last video I just implement with the selection sort. This time I try to using the counting sort. So far I'm not confident about the counting sort is what the algorithm I'm going to do, but I will try. So the basically counting sort over a rather straightforward solution in a two-pass algorithm using the counting sort. I thinking counting sort I'm just count for the array. Let me write down draw a picture for that. That will be simple. Excuse me. Yeah, so for the array, that's easy. So I will do maybe 2, 1, 10, 7, 8. Oh, sorry, that's wrong one. So that one, another one. So sorting 0, 2, 1, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 2. Okay, so since the counting we could at one pass, we could counting the whole total sum of this array. And in the first time pass, we counting the whole sum, we counting the sum of ones. Okay, so with these two values, we could count how many I'm ones and n, not n, I'm L 2. Okay, in that case, in that case, in that case, in that case, I could override the re-establish the whole array just by 0, 1, how many zeros, and from 2, how many 2 ones assigned there, and how many 2s. That would be the 2 times. First time, one time pass is get the summary, sum total. Yeah, that will be the 2 times passing. First one, I calculate the whole sum, total sum, and I also in the one time, first time passing, I also calculate all ones. Based on the calculation, I could calculate out how many twos with M and how many ones with M and how many twos with L variable. Based on the calculations, I could reestablish the whole array. That's the zero. How many zeros? I just fill the zeros and fill the ones with the M and fill the 2 with the L 1 and fill the N minus 1 M minus L with the 0. So that's basically for the counting sort. So I'm going to coding a little bit again. Yeah, I'm going to copy out what I just got last time. Selection sort, counting sort. So basically I don't need a swap. I just need a sorted. So from I to numbers 1, no, since that will scan the whole array, so we will do, I don't need index, I just need numbers 2 to 0, no, the sum, number total equals 0, and numbers 1 equals 0, okay, once if numbers equals 1, we just do numbers, we just count the number ones by 1. After that we count total, right, wow. And for the second loop, I will declare the I right here for the double declaration. So yeah, for the 0 to M to number size minus numbers ones minus numbers total minus ones numbers number was divided by 2. Okay, let me see if I need a minus 1 again. So n, okay, yeah, we need a minus 1 for the 0 index. Yes, so for the 1, just numbers equals 0. Okay, so that will be how many zeros? Then I equal, now this time we don't need a minus 1 since that start and a minus So there will be, let me see. Okay. For the easy I will do this. Choose 0. Okay. And I will calculate number 2s. Okay, here we just number 2s minus 1. Okay, and here from the numbers 2, 2, 2, 2, and the less than numbers, no, sorry, number 2 is not that one, number 2 is, number 2 is, yes, so here number size minus numbers ones minus number 2. Okay, then start here from the number size minus numbers 1 minus number 2, and there will be 2 number size minus, okay, minus numbers 2, numbers 2 minus 1, then numbers I equals 1. Now from numbers minus numbers 2, and oh, since that's lies, okay, that's lies, we don't need a minus 1, okay, and from here we don't need, the same thing, we don't need minus 1 here. Okay, so based on for the first passing, that will be the first passing to calculate number ones and the total. Based on the calculation, we got number two's numbers. And for the second loop, there will be 3 phases. For the first step, we fill in the 0. So 0 will be the number size minus number 1 minus 2. Okay, since that's 0 index, I'm using the less operator. Same thing for the second one, so we're using the I start from number size minus 1, minus numbers 1, number 2, and to the end number size minus number 2. And so the third step, the final step, that will be start from number size minus number 2 and to the numbers, the whole array size. Okay, that's pretty much for the coding. I'm going to run it in the Leetcode. Numbers total on color and declare, so number total. Numbers. Okay, that's numbers total. Okay, here we go. Run the code. Number ones. Okay, number twos. Number ones. Number twos. Number twos. Number twos. Okay, and run again. Submit. Okay, accepted. I got accepted. So set color. So I beat 100. Okay, that's pretty much the best result I got so far. Yeah, summarize what I did. Basically, that's I didn't, like I said, I didn't learn what the counting sort is, but I think that's pretty much that as the algorithm I just present. Let me mark what I achieved here. Okay, and basically there's nothing wrong. I just correct some variable name. And during the coding, I just realized there's a condition operation is not correct. Since that's zero index, I thought I need a -1 for the index, the end of the boundary, but the operator is less than, so not less equal, so I don't need -1. Okay, that's the like I said, the first pass, second pass, so the two pass. Okay, I think that's pretty much for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time.